Hi, this is a demonstration of the Eurostart BRS5 installed in this 2021 Mini Cooper S. With this remote starter, it is a plug-in designed remote starter, so that means there's no cutting or splicing into the vehicle's wiring. The vehicle will remain 100% intact. You have three different ways to remote start this vehicle. You can use long-range two-way remote controls. You can use a smartphone interface, or you can use the factory key fob, which I'll demonstrate now. To start the vehicle, just press the lock button 3 times, and then last press and hold it for 1 to 2 seconds. Alright, the vehicle will start up in a few seconds. Alright, it's now running, and with this remote starter, it can also activate the driver's and passenger's heated seats if the temperature in the vehicle is below 10 degrees Celsius, and it can activate each heated seat at your desired temperature level settings. The car will run for 15 minutes, and if you'd like to turn it off, you can simply just press the unlock button and then the lock button again. Alright, thanks for watching.